friends, welcome to Ankita's kitchen and today we are making dum aloo. Dum aloo is a recipe where tiny potatoes are served in rich gravy that is filled with spices. Let's go through the ingredients to make this. So we will need 2 cups of small potatoes, peeled then washed, tomato puree, paneer, chopped onion, oil, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander and cumin seed powder, garam masala powder, green cardamom, a piece of cinnamon, star anise, dried cloves, black pepper, salt to taste and oil to deep fry. To start with, we will deep fry the potatoes in hot oil, add some salt, then carefully add the potatoes. Now let the potatoes cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on low to medium flame or until the potatoes start floating on the surface and they are beautifully golden brown in color. Now these potatoes are cooked through, take them out on a paper towel to drain excess oil. I haven't poked these potatoes before frying, but if you are using bigger potatoes, you might need to poke those with toothpick or fork before frying. Now keep them aside and we are ready to make gravy. To make the gravy, heat a pan over medium flame, then add oil, followed by whole spices. Now let them crackle for few seconds. Now add chopped onion and cook it till it gets brown on the edges. Onions are cooked. Now add ginger garlic paste. Then mix it in. Now add coriander and cumin seed powder, followed by turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now give a quick mix and add tomato puree so chili doesn't burn. Now adding 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time, add all the tomato puree in the mixture. We are not adding all the puree at a time because we don't want to water down this gravy before it is fully cooked. After adding all the puree, cook it for 3 to 4 minutes or until you can see oil separating from the gravy. Gravy is almost ready, but it is looking a bit dry side, so I am adding some water. Now add garam masala powder, mix it in, then add paneer. Now add salt, then mix it in and our gravy is ready. Now add potatoes to the gravy. Now mix in the potatoes and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. After 3 minutes, you can see that potatoes are well merged with the gravy. At this point, add water to dilute the gravy as per your choice. As you can see, I am not adding all the water at once. I am adding little by little till I get the consistency I want. I have added 3/4 cup of water in total and it is the consistency that I desired. Now put a lid on and cook it for 2 more minutes on low to medium flame. After 2 minutes, dum aloo is ready. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and turn down the heat. I hope you will give this recipe a try and do share your experience in the comment below. And I hope you like this video. Do subscribe for more videos like this and thank you for watching.